Hey, John Wilson here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com and welcome to my ConversioBot review. And just for full transparency, you should know that I have no connection with this organization and I am not promoting them as an affiliate. So in this video, you'll discover three things. One, is ConversioBot a scam? Two, what vital information do you need before purchasing this program? And are there any better alternatives out there? So be sure to stay to the end because then you'll have enough information to make an informed decision, and I also have a free gift for you. So while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So why listen to me? Well, I've been marketing online since 2012. I've been multiple six figures in sales of affiliate products and my own digital products, and I've tried just about every online business model there is. And here are one or two screenshots just to show that I walk the talk as well. Okay, so here we are over on the blog. If you want to read the full article, you'll find the link to that in the description under this video. So let's dive in. What is ConversioBot? Well, it's a relatively new automated chatbot software by marketer Simon Wood that promises to help increase online sales by engaging customers in conversations on websites and social media platforms. ConversioBot is also doing the rounds, being sold via a webinar as a kind of business opportunity of selling the software and chatbots to businesses. So what does ConversioBot cost? It's available as a monthly subscription of either $35 or $47 per month for the light or pro levels respectively, and the business opportunity version of ConversioBot that Simon promotes via YouTube ads and joint venture webinars is a one-time payment that includes the software and also a digital training course. That cost is likely several $100s up to maybe around $1,000, although we were unable to confirm the current price at this time. So what's in ConversioBot? The ConversioBot business opportunity includes a lifetime license to the software and rights to sell chatbots made with it to businesses. You'll also get the training on setting up and configuring the software for clients and also how to create customized chatbots for them. You also get the training on how to prospect for clients in order to sell chatbots to them. Are there any additional or hidden costs? No, not that we're aware of, no, there's nothing else required to run the ConversioBot business opportunity. Is ConversioBot a scam? No, it's definitely not a scam. It's a useful software and the business opportunity is centered around a legitimate business that many people are making money with these days. Are there any ConversioBot complaints? Well, ConversioBot has a 4.2 star rating out of 5 on Trustpilot, which is pretty good. That said, the 20% of their ratings that are 1 star do give a little cause for concern. However, this 1 star review that I've reproduced here is a little troubling, although the response given by the company seems really helpful. So in terms of ConversioBot pros and cons, on the plus side, it's pretty cost effective. The chatbot software is relatively inexpensive compared to other chatbot software solutions available. It's easy to use and has a pretty simple user interface and can be pretty easy to set up and customize. It is customizable and for your customers, and the business opportunity, rights and training to sell the software to businesses mean that this is a viable business opportunity for someone looking to make some money online. On the negative side, at the end of the day, this will be a kind of a sales job. You're in business for yourself, but you still need to prospect for customers to sell your chatbots to. And you'll have to make sales calls and close customers and all of that. Once you get customers, you will be responsible for doing customer support and keeping your customers happy. So it might not be best for someone who is also technologically challenged. Setting up of chatbots is somewhat technical, although training is supplied by ConversioBot. So this ConversioBot review verdict, I would conclude that ConversioBot chatbot software may be a useful tool for businesses and organizations that are looking to manage their customer service needs. But in terms of the business opportunity, due to the sales aspect and being an introvert myself, I believe that there are better ways to make a living online. So that said, what is the best way to make money online? Well, in my humble opinion and the way that I do it it's high ticket affiliate marketing. And that's simply promoting other people's products in exchange for $200 to $300, maybe up to $1,000 plus commissions per sale. And here is an example of my record commission that I've ever received in a day. You won't get one of these every day, but it just gives you an idea of what's possible with this business model. The benefits of affiliate marketing: well, there's no product creation required, there's no stock to hold or staff needed, there's no selling required on your part, there's no customer support required, you can do it from home on a very part-time basis, and you can do it alongside a full-time job. There's low to zero startup costs, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And I could go on because I love this business model. It's just a lot of fun. So what's the best way of getting started with high ticket affiliate marketing? Well, other product programs, many will take your money and let you fend for yourself, and some might not deliver on their coaching promises. What we give you is a proven system that has helped dozens of people like you quit their 9-to-5 job, and hundreds more make their first high ticket sale online and create a solid side income. You also get direct access to my personal coaching to make sure you don't get stuck, and to hold your hand and keep you accountable until you make your first sale online and beyond. Are you excited? Well, if so, then check the description under this video for what to do next. And that free gift I mentioned, it's a free cheat sheet. It's called the 3 Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High Ticket Affiliate Marketing. You can grab that under this video too. So what next? 1, claim your free gift. Watch my free case study video. And 3, just send me a message on Facebook with any questions. I look forward to meeting you and getting to know you on there. And all the links for that you'll find in the description under this video. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. I appreciate your time. I'll see you next time. God bless.